Ay, sorry. Ayaw eh.
Gil!
Hindi humingi.
Pinagalitan
Is everybody here? Is everybody here?
You're so red na, you dunk na, no?
Because I'm actually allergic to alcohol.
Party naman.
I'm Native American. I have red skin. I'm a red Indian.
Si Cookie din.
I'm a red Indian, not that kind of Indian. That kind of
Hindi
Indian.
alcohol, pero liquor yung dala niya, number 1.
Yes, of course. Master, okay, ito na tayo. Jam 88.3, that is Dallas with Wrong. Well, definitely something that is not wrong happening today is the Jam 88.3 Studio Blessing. Alright, I am on live, so check this out. Sabi ko sa inyo, we can open. Exactly. Lapit mo yung mic. Kasi tinawag ka sigaw ng sigaw eh. Hindi nga naman mic.
I love you, Ro!
Thank you. Alright, so we're definitely going to introduce the current shows at Jam and also the upcoming shows for 2026. But before anything else, we also will have a speech from our very own station manager.
Silent type daw siya. Silent type daw siya, Ro.
Naput on the spot, baka parusahan ako. Let's start na lang with Master Hans has a blessing wish for us.
Blessing natin ha. Una, thank you tayo kay DJ Ro. Alam mo, siyempre kay Boss Glenn din ha. Jam 88.3 family natin, alam mo, kompleto na, nadala niya lahat ng mga DJs dito. Napakagaling talaga. Lumalaki. Successful na family ng Jam 88.3 dahil kay DJ Ro. Thank you, DJ Ro!
Siyempre, thank you sa inyo lahat, diba? So, with no...
Si Jake, may sasabihin natin.
Okay.
Si Jake.
Okay, so ako na lang magsasabi, okay? Ako na lang magsasabi. So basically, during the pandemic, syempre nag-shut down lahat ng radio stations, right? And then some eventually reopened. Pero the reason that Jam 88.3 reopened was because of Glenn Fernandez. Tayo nag-lobby sa owner ng Jam, same owner as Magic, same owner as Wave, and RT and all of those other stations. Siya yung nag-lobby, sinabi niya, please reopen Jam kasi sayang walang rock station ngayon.
Rock and roll.
Diba? So all the rockers, all those who are fans of rock, and all the bands, musicians, diba? You have Glenn Fernandez to thank. Ayaw lang niya magsalita, shy kasi yan eh. So ako na lang nagsasalita.
Shy type si sir.
Later daw yung speech. But anyway, yeah. So siya yung pasalamatan natin first and foremost because without this, I wouldn't even be here. Right? So, thank you to Sir Glenn Fernandez. And also si Jake, yung ating ghost in the computer.
Yes, he's the boss of the machine! Sabi ni Fraggins, ano to?
Ano to? Sino?
Si Fraggins Pastich, iyak na daw tayo, iyak.
Kaya ayaw mag-speech ni Sir Glenn kasi iiyak tayo pag nag-speech yan. Kailangan in private daw. Masisira yung mga mock-up. yung mga eyeliner. But yeah, so thank you also to Jake. He's the one responsible for putting in all the songs for all the shows. Without Jake, nasa Antipolo pa yan. Kinokontrol niya lahat.
The ghost in the machine!
Pero dumayo siya ng Manila sa Baybay. Sa Baybay, tama ba yung Tagalog? Dumayo sa...
Your Tagalog is bad.
Sorry, dumayo
Your Tagalog is a little
dumayo sa sa baybay.
Dumayo siya sa baybay, bumaba siya.
Lumuwas!
Nga, hindi na nga magtatagalog. So, thank you also to Jake. I'm trying. Okay, but anyhow, so we do have our shows currently, so I'm just gonna start from Monday all the way till Sunday, okay?
Yes.
So Mondays, 6 p.m., we've got The Attorney, the very
Justice Jam!
Attorney Carlo Hispanes for Justice Jam every 6 p.m. Mondays.
Hello, thank you DJ Ro for having us and thank you for organizing this, ang galing. We wouldn't be here without you.
Oh, parang Oscars to, And of course, our Tuesdays and Thursdays, we've got Alex and Owie.
Yeah, Max and Owie, yeah.
Max and Owie,
Speech!
the Electric Sheep Show.
Speech!
Bakit ba siya Electric Sheep?
I love it! Electric Sheep, that's the name of my company, and we produce concerts, we produce shows. So I think using that name would be,
Appropriate.
appropriate.
Yeah.
And thank you, Sanmig.
Ayun, sponsor!
My beer's outside.
Wait kasi, taga lang. Wait,
I'm with my partner, Owie.
I'm here.
Who's not drinking?
I'm here.
Hinahanap niya yung partner niya. May tinuturo siyang ibang partner.
Okay.
Oh, Owie naman.
Hi, everybody.
That's it.
Oh, that's it? We're waiting for more.
I'm here up at 6 a.m.
Give him a trivia, Owie.
Give them a trivia. Oh my
How do you wake up for your 6 a.m. show?
I call her at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oy!
What? What's your
Ganda,
question?
gising ka na.
Yeah. No, we try. Because it's fun, you know? We try, pero di ko late.
Alright, so that is the Electric Sheep Show.
This is how I introduce.
This
This is how I introduce her every Tuesdays and Thursday. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the late Owie.
Para naman RIP na yan. Huwag naman ganun.
Bumili pa ako ng kape mo, no?
Para sa'yo yun di ba? Learn to appreciate. Sige, let's not forget, nakalimutan daw siya. Sabi ko kasi last to arrive Kailangan may punishment ng konti. Kaya linate ko na ng konti. Mondo Castro, inubos na namin yung pansit mo.
Sorry.
Hey, yes. Sino
Mondo Manila.
Madami.
Freaking sent me a picture of the last. This might be it. Mondo Manila, 4 to 6 p.m. Yep.
What do you do with Mondo Manila? What do you talk about? Mondo?
Nothing.
It talks about Mondo.
People of note in their industries. So we
Okay.
talk about how they attained their stature. We've had
personal
directors,
development.
musicians. Yeah.
Cool.
So how can you be Gemini 8.3 level? Oh, ano yan? Drugs?
Isa-introduce namin yun sa ano namin.
Ano yan?
Sa mga sa ano namin.
Uy, merong Tuesday naman kami.
We're like a new show. Shut it.
So there. Leadership, success, and everything in between.
Shut up, girl.
No drugs in the office.
I'm trying to focus on what you're saying kasi ito, mga ganun din,
Ano ka, Marty? It smells good.
All right, Mondo Manila, that is from
3 to 6.
3 to 6.
3 to 4 is like this music.
3 to 4-ish.
3 to 4-ish is music, and then 4 to 6 is the sort of talk show.
Awesome. All right, okay. And then we've got Qigong and Tai Chi with our master of Qigong and Tai Chi, Chi Flow Radio, Lao Shi Jelle. Lao Shi Jelle.
That's so racist.
Yeah.
No, he says we have to say it like that. He corrects me. It means teacher jelly. Teacher Jeff.
It means a whale's
every Monday. We discuss different energy healing modalities. Just like last Monday, we have acupuncture. And then sooner or later, I'll be inviting
Oh, kanina
the
pinag-usapan
energy.
Of Master Hans.
Alam niya na.
But Master Hans is actually a he's a nurse.
We're gonna get there.
Really? Wow, that's why he's full of energy. Yeah. And also, I'd like to give this opportunity to DJ Ro for inviting me.
Yeah.
Thank you all for being here.
Full of energy and good energy.
Yes, good energy. Thank you so much. All right. So that is every 7 p.m. Mondays. That is Chiflo Radio. And then we have on Wednesday, we've got Code Red Radio with Mark Adil.
There you go. Introduce yourself.
Welcome to Jam 8.5.
Ay, wow.
DJ Mark for Cold Red Radio. So we're going to talk about emergency preparedness and disasters.
Survival.
And shout out to Wizard Philippines
Yeah, shout
na
out.
ngayon ay nasa traslasyon. Good evening sa inyong lahat dyan. Stay safe. Good luck, guys.
He's also going to Traslasyon. Mamaya.
Wow! Thank you for being here and joining us.
Correct.
Yeah, so
Yeah, what's translation the first?
That's like the
Black Nazarene.
the Black Nazarene.
Black Nazarene.
Sobrang daming tao.
It's so many.
That's translation in
English.
Yeah, so Mark,
Lagot ka kay Teacher Jeff mamaya.
so Mark is also a SPED. So he's a special ed teacher and also
Not a special child.
Alam mo, tama na yung sinisigot mo. Kung ano ba yung sinisigot mo, tigilan mo na yan. Tigilan mo na yan. I think you reach your cap. You reach your cap. Pampagulo. Nasa harapan naman kita.
And also, I have a advocacy page which is Autism Response PH.
Mga autistic
So,
dyan.
mga ano yan, autism awareness for emergency responders. So, napaka-importante na we bridge the critical gap between the families and the emergency responders.
Yes. All right.
Alright?
Okay. And then we have every third Wednesday of the month, 8 p.m. is Soul Frequency with Gina Gasser. She is a tarot reader and a and a psychic life coach.
Thank you, DJ Ro, for the opportunity for me to be able to share to everyone the esoteric world.
Yes.
So different subjects on every show.
Yeah.
From ghosts to healing, to curses, to everything else in between.
Yes.
Do you see
Diba?
any ghosts tonight here inside the booth? Let's be honest.
I would like to be honest because if I say something, baka naman matatakot kayo.
So there, that is Soul Frequency every third Wednesday of the month, 8 to 9 p.m.
Let me ask a question. How many ghosts do you see in the station?
Were you not listening? Were you not listening?
Stop it.
You didn't listen.
No, not that. Miss Gina.
She doesn't want to scare anyone. So ibubulong na lang niya sa'yo para ikaw lang yung matatakot.
Hey, Joey saw Unano ghost sa kabila ah. Unano kayo na bata?
Bata. Ayun si.
Kabila yun. Kabila. Wala dito.
Sa maliit.
Sa kabila.
Sa kabila.
Ano?
Kanino anak yun?
Hindi ko alam. Seryoso ba tayo? Comedy show? Para ka comedy show.
Jeff, baby.
Alright.
So, Ro, you memorize all the shows?
Of course, it's all in my head. Next, we have Thursday, 6 p.m. That is our master of vintage and everything antique. Angelo Bernardo Jr. of Rock and Relics.
Okay, first of all, thank you, Ro, for having me here. And since ano pa to, July, and it's Tuesday every...
Hindi alam, Tuesday. Thursday tayo. Tuesday.
Yeah, twice a month. Yeah, but I'd like to make it more often. Sana. Tapos, it's been very educational and Ro has helped me with several connections, including our very own Gina. Was also made the reading in the shop. At may mga findings. May mga findings.
Maraming findings sa shop mo.
Vintage eh.
Tapos ngayon,
Sino vintage?
ngayon, irrelevant na yun.
Bata. Yung mga bata.
irrelevant na yun kasi marami na pumasok na bago. Hindi mo pa na-read. So, hindi ko alam
Hindi
kung
pa
ano yung mga
nasisilip.
reading doon. No?
Silipin
So, I
natin
think
lahat.
we should regularly, converse, no?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, thank you again, Rob, for this opportunity. And my goal has always been to popularize and propagate yung the joys of collecting.
Awesome. May trivia question ako para sa kanila that I learned on Rock and Relics. Guys, what is the difference between vintage and antique? Anong pagkakaiba nun?
Okay.
Sige, go to the microphone.
Grabe naman.
The years, guys. The years.
Yes, of course. Yung antiques, at least about at least 100 years.
Yeah.
Ang vintage.
So vintage,
Vintage
pwedeng
can
mga
be-
80s and 70s
Now you know.
lang.
So lahat tayo dito, mga mostly vintage pala. Hindi pa tayo
Vintage lang
Don't say bad words.
But gorgeous.
Alright.
Of course.
That
May
is...
mga depende sa category. May mga vintage na 20 years old, 25. So depende.
Alright, so catch Rock and Relics to learn more about vintage and antiques with Angelo Bernardo Jr. That is every Thursday, 6 p.m. And then moving on, we've got at 8 p.m. on Thursdays. Sometimes starts at 7 p.m. Coffee, Comics, and Beyond.
You took me out from a dark place when you asked me to join. I don't know what to say. I'm very happy.
Speech!
I'm very happy.
Hold your horses!
Ang kulit ng late, no?
Parang kayong high school! What are we? High school kids?
Yeah, we are.
We are. God damn it.
Seryoso naman ako eh!
No, I really appreciate it, bro. When you asked me to join, it's last year, probably
Yeah.
around early Feb, I was on a
You were one of the first ones I asked to come in.
You did, and I was in a very dark place. Tapos after that, sumunod ka naman mapunta sa dark place. So pareho tayo sa dark
Ginawahan
place.
mo ako ng
Pero, hindi tayo nag-iwanan. Di ba?
Nilamoy ko kayong dalawa.
Nilamoy kaming dalawa, ha? Na nasa dark place kaming dalawa, na yun hindi na.
Parang Stranger Things lang.
Hindi nagkakakitaan.
Yung madilim na corner doon sa jam yun, dark place.
Dark place kasi si Ro kung sino-sino dinidate. Oops. Which will not happen again. I'll say this on air.
Tell you a story.
He has learned how to do that.
Let's go play music.
Puros ko ako na-date niya.
This is Elsie's last day.
Thank you. I love Jam. I feel this is gonna be our year. It's gonna be, I don't know. Explosion to explosion.
After party at Tiny Bar later.
You should go to my bar. Panay Avenue QC, guys.
8 at 8 ka pa, diba? Also with Elsie De Leon, 8 at 8.
Fridays.
Yeah. Every Friday tomorrow, I have a show. I'm boarding tomorrow with Kevin and Rian Roy will be joining me, and we're gonna be talking about our favorite songs of last year.
Awesome. All right.
Join us.
Okay. Next, we move on to the weekends, and we have got. Okay, I'm gonna announce the brand new shows later, but first let's announce the ones that have currently been running. So we've got Slow Burn Sessions with our very own Tai Chi and Qigong Master, who's not only a master of Qi, but also a master
Of he.
but is also a singer of a rock band.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, slow burn sessions every Saturday. 4 to 6, right? In 2 hours.
What are you asking?
Yeah, for the first hour, I play some.
Nakalimutan na nila lahat.
And they're guessing him.
What?
Yeah, I have a guest band in the second hour of slow burn session. Yeah, every Saturday, 4 to 6.
Awesome.
Thank you, DJ Ro. Love you.
Awesome. Love you too. And then after that, we have, of course, our punk couple. The Punk Connection. Wendy and Renman. So go on ahead and tell us about your show.
Renmi Nadella po ng The Punk Connection.
Sobrang saya ng gabing ito kasi kinaselebrate natin itong bagong studio. And then, celebrating kasi namin this year yung 10th anniversary ng The Pong Connection.
Vintage.
Thank you.
Vintage.
Yeah.
10 years.
10 years. Vintage.
Ay, every Saturday po kami 6 to 10 p.m.
Wendy's Beach.
We play punk, ska, hardcore, and everything in between.
Yes.
Wendy.
Wait, na-skip ko
Good
si...
evening, everyone.
Yun. Ayun na.
May mga na-skip ako. Si
Joey.
yung si Joey D is on! Living Loud with Joey D! This is every Wednesday night, 9 p.m. till
That's my
midnight.
friend.
Yes. Yeah, every Wednesday night, 9 to 12
Satan!
midnight. Exactly. Puro positive yung messages. So, iba-iba ng konti. Yeah, 9 to 12 midnight every Wednesday. Metalcore. The stuff that your parents don't like.
Yes!
That's what we play. And,
What were parents?
yeah, exactly. Ibahin ko lang, we are not thanking you. Huwag kayong makinig kung ayaw niyo. So, we don't like you.
Walang pilitan! Teka, may tanong ako, Joey, nag-board ka na dito, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, what can you say about this new studio compared to the other one? Kasi alam ko dati,
For sure.
medyo natatakot ka dun sa dati.
Mas maluwag, mas malamig, and we can actually do a lot of guests. We can fit.
You do a lot of guests? What?
Here! There's a lot of space! Oh, damn, you do me!
That's a kicker. They're all guys.
But yeah, it's congratulations to Jam.
Yeah.
It's a bigger room. Mas malamig yung aircon.
Yes!
Mas hindi nakakatakot.
Diba?
Totoo.
Meron
Yeah,
talaga.
so if you have
Meron pala.
music, if you are a heavy band, an independent band, Jam finally gave a home to heavy bands. So for all the bands out there, metalcore, hardcore, whatever you play, thrash metal, even if you play crap, we'll play it. So yeah, thank you DJ Ro, thank you kay Boss Glenn for giving heavy music.
Go, Joey.
Home finally. No, not like the other stations.
What can you say, Mondo?
Shade and shade.
Positive vibes lang tayo. Positive vibes.
Okay, not like the other nice stations.
Alright, that is Living Loud with Joey D every Wednesday 9 till midnight. And we now have also a new show that just launched recently, and it's about soundtracks. So we've got none other than April for
The best friend. Magandang gabi, Char. So my show is on every Thursday at around 4 p.m. We will talk about soundtracks of TV shows, movies, or if there are like awesome shows from games, why not? Let's talk about it. We'll also talk a little bit about the shows, maybe, and I may get some guests so we can geek out over shows and whatnot. Elsie, I'm looking at you.
What are you doing next week? Stranger Things, right?
Stranger Things Part 2, because I already discussed Stranger Things Part 1. We'll talk about, we'll play a few more of the songs, and the finale, we will talk about it a little bit. If you hate it, if you like it, we'll talk about it. All right, thank you.
Stranger Things, the costumes. Alright, there you go. Soundtrack Riot every Thursday. And now we got Miss Master Hans and DJ Yumi for Rock the Stars every Sunday, 6 p.m.
Yeah, Sunday, 6 p.m. Ang dami nanonood sa akin na nag-live tayo nun. Umabot tayo ng 60,000 views. Wow! Thank you sa mga nagpapadala ng stars. Umabot tayo last time ng 8,000 na stars, 12,000 na stars. Thank you very much sa patuloy na pagtangkilik ng Rock the Stars every Sunday, 6 p.m. with Mas Ranskua and DJ Yumi. Bago wala kami sa few weeks, manganganak na kasi si DJ.
Oo nga, malapit na. Next month ng due date
pag
na,
nanganak
diba?
siya, hindi ako marunong nito. Siya kasi nagdidyan dito lang ako lang taga-basa. Siya talaga ganyan-ganyan. Ako hindi ako marunong ganyan-ganyan. Pinapatay ako ng mic pag maingay
It's
ako.
okay. Paternal leave yun. Paternal leave.
Ayun,
Okay lang yan.
So, baka pag wala lang a few weeks, pag dahil nanganak si Yumi, pero pagbalik niya, balik ulit ang ating Rock the Stars.
Meron na ba kayong name?
Meron na,
for
Miss.
the
May
baby?
name na tayo. Very soon ang coming soon ng aming baby. Kabuan na niya. 9 months na eh. So,
Anong name?
What's the name?
Baby Horus. H-O-R-U.
Is that like a god?
Yeah,
God, no?
yeah, Egyptian God. I of Horus.
Horus.
God of what?
God of protections.
Yes.
Yes. God
And
of
wisdom.
Wisdom,
Yeah,
yes.
he's the God of wisdom.
Yes, God of wisdom and protection.
Yun, catch Rock the Stars.
Every Saturday, ay Sunday pala.
Ang mga host ko na.
Ang dami ng shows ko rin. Naguluhan din ba? Sunday pala dito. Sunday, 6 p.m. po. Dito po sa Jam 88.
All right. And now we move on to shows that are just going to be launched this year. So let's start with one that will talk about mental health for Gen Z. So if you're a young 20 plus years old, you know, and you're going through crisis in life, whether it's regarding your career, relationships, or even just personal whatever, you know, this is the safe space for you on air. It is called Charmed. Safe Space on Air.
I like it.
Hosted by Charm Singson.
I need that show.
Yeah, I need that show.
Thank you so much for this opportunity for us to share personal experiences. And I'm just going to say, like, we're no experts in this field, but all we want to do is share our experiences and hopefully connect to other people. And we want to share our experiences because we want people to feel connected and included, especially as I am a 28-year-old woman who has an autoimmune disorder as well as a mental health disorder, and how I've navigated life till now.
Awesome. Yeah. And we'll also be probably joined by Kim, right?
Yeah.
Just say hello, Kim. She's a little shy, but you can just say hello.
Hi, Rowan, and thanks for having us. Actually, I have no plan to really come today, but I felt so bad because I'm not mentally okay the last few days, but I know that when we met Rowana, she's really, you know, guys, when
She's
we
also
said
not
that,
mentally okay.
I have this thing, because we met last year, right? We met her last year, so I have this quote na parang we met people for a reason.
Yeah.
Yes.
When we met her, we both like not totally like okay, that kinda.
Parang pareho pala tayo.
When we met her and then we get along for a while, parang sobrang ate siya, and then she started. Yeah, so she was telling us na parang
20-year-old.
it's okay na hindi kayo okay every day. Cause
Yeah.
true. Yeah.
That's weird. You're high.
I can totally agree with that. That you're not. You don't have to be okay
No.
every single
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
Even
No.
no matter what your position in life. It's
Yeah.
I'm not okay every day.
Manage,
So,
but yeah.
yeah, so I agree with her na parang, you can like join us in the jam and talk about yung generation nyo. Yeah.
Yes.
Because I think this generation is kind of hard, especially for us, unlike sa ibang generation. Pero,
Like you guys.
Magbanda na tayo. Bago yan.
Ay, pakinggan natin si Kim.
Even we're like,
Hihirapan
we're
kami.
both.
Kayo, iba kayo.
Sorry, I didn't mean to say that.
No, it's okay,
Yeah,
go
pero
ahead.
actually kami, kaya ako actually ako personally, I'm an old soul person, so I love yung mga
Old people.
Very nice.
I'm happy that right now we can get along with everyone because it's
Kahit
really
gaano
hard.
katanda, ayos lang.
What? Hey,
No,
no bad words.
No, even in our No, it's because every day is like parang blessing for everyone.
Yes.
It's true.
Yep.
Every day we're grateful for little things, and we should.
Yes.
Beautifully said. Thank you so much. All right, and that is going to start every Wednesday, 6 p.m., right? 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. That is Charmed safe space, your safe space on air.
Tawa ka na tawa.
Si Jeff kumitingin, sabi niya pupunta daw siya every Wednesday.
Bakit? This is your generation ba? What generation ba ito?
Baka kailangan ng guest.
Let's not forget, of course, before we move on to the new show that we're going to announce for this year, we have also the Vox Box. Where are you? Vox Box!
Nakatatago ka kasi hindi kita makita.
We have DJ Chase.
Chase?
Yes, sir. Game?
Yes. No. New schedule is going to be every Monday.
From 9 o'clock in the evening until
Whatever. Whenever.
maybe around, I think last time we talked it was 11.
Yeah, 9 to 11.
So Vox Box is moving to Monday from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. From the original Tuesday slot for seasons 1 and 2. So yeah, watch out for that. We have a lot of interesting things coming in for the 3rd season of it. This is the show about voice actors, voice acting, and everything else in between. Bro, thank you for getting me out of radio retirement. After, what, 15 years?
Recruiter ako eh.
So, yeah. And Jam at 8.3, thank you very much. And congratulations. And, oh my God, it's a bigger booth!
It is!
Yes. Because we're gonna get even bigger, right?
Yes.
All right. And finally, we have our new show that is going to start next week, I believe. Yes? Is
Saturday.
it this Saturday? It's going to start this Saturday. So I'll let DJ Gail give the intro for this new show and what it's about.
Alright, people, unsaid everything because this show is parental guidance. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh my God, there is a child in the booth. We've been saying so many bad things.
Exactly.
There was a child.
Ang late na kasi hindi na.
Kyle, we love you.
That's why we need to unsaid everything. This show is about Gen Z because they're 14 to 17.
Isn't it Gen A?
Gen Alpha.
Gen
Alpha.
Alpha.
Sorry. Gen Alpha. You are Gen Z, but the rest are Gen Alpha. So this is about teens, art, music, and everything about their age, their generation that I cannot understand until now. But sige lang, I'm DJ Gail, so I'll be guiding them. She's my daughter. I don't have any choice. So I used to have Rogue Runway with Rogue, so I'm leaving Tuesday, transferring to Saturday to, of course, promote our artists, Holland's Music. So if you want to collab, if you're an indie artist, solo, duo, banda, attorney, so yun, join us. Here's our CEO, Dr.
And get the Gen Alpha market.
Yeah. So please support us. It's BU on air with DJ Gail, and hopefully with DJ Rose gonna join us as well. So starting this Saturday from 3 to 4 p.m.
I mean, we of course have Dr. Quinn.
Yeah, and I wanna before her, I wanna introduce BU Kyle. Actually, there are 4 members from BU. So it's BU Kyle, BU Mia, BU Freya, and BU Clayan. So BU Kyle here, unfortunate is my daughter. Unfortunate is my daughter. So she's gonna talk more about the show. Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle.
Come on.
Kyle, yourself lang. Nahiya na siya, pero kunyari lang, mas kilala niya pa si DJ Mark kaysa sa akin sa Tax Expo.
Kyle, go. What about the show?
What do you do? See, Kyle. What do you do? I'm the BU's drummers and DJ.
Yes! So you sing?
I sing, I dance, along with Clayan
And you are, yeah.
and Freya. And I also do arts like DJ Ro.
Yeah!
I want to do arts with DJ Ro.
Oh,
Yeah! No! So I'm leaving you on air. Goodbye. Alright, thank you guys.
And then Dr. Quinn.
And of course, our ever supportive president from Holland's Music, and she actually was the one who discovered Holland's Music, discovered us. But before that, I'd like to go back to DJ Mark and DJ April because kung hindi dahil sa kanila, I won't be here today. Because of DJ Mark, which I met vintage to. So, sa Tax Expo, because of him, I met DJ April.
back to the
and because
age.
of them, I met DJ Ro.
Nobody said anything.
So we started the show and then nagbuhay na siya. So thank you guys. We love you guys. See you around and more booze, please.
Oh,
Yes.
Here's
Alright.
Dr. Sophia Mara. Come on. Show
Say
some
hi.
love. Yeah.
Behind the scene. That's
The owner
okay.
of Leternel Medical Aesthetic Clinic.
Litrenel.
Litrenel. So if you wanna be beautiful, ay, napilay siya. Oh, yeah.
Mga tita. Dami.
Last na, last.
We want to be beautiful.
Ang dami na.
Basta gano'n dyan, lahat endorser na. Punta doon.
Titas.
Also, but first I would like to say thank you, Ro, for the warm welcome. At saka, syempre, it's very important naman to hear the voices of the youngs, no? Kaya, it's very close to my heart na magkaroon ng BU on air. Thank you, Ro, for the
You're
warm
welcome. And thank you for joining, Jam.
family. Thank you.
Oh, one more thing I forgot. Ro actually is already part of our management. So, congratulations. Welcome to Hollis Music. She is Velvet Ro of Velvet There you go. So watch out for Velvet Sin. Soon we're gonna have shows in different bars, especially sa Tiny Bar na maingay dyan na si El.
Yes. Talking while the teacher is talking.
So yung photo shoot mo sa kanila yun?
Huh?
Yes.
Nice.
Velvet Ro. Watch out for her. She's not only a DJ, but she's also a great singer. Great
Stand-up comedian yan sa Tiny Bar.
I hated everything.
May split personality ako. I have 20 personalities.
Oh, that's crazy. That's considered.
Yeah.
Speaking of, oh yes?
Yeah, and also we're gonna have shows soon, and Ro will also be one of our spoken poetry artists.
Wow.
Alongside
Wow.
with
Talent nito,
an illustrator. Yeah, and we're best friends na. Hi, Cham.
So yung poet mo sa
Speaking of poetry, thank you so much. So yeah, catch that new show with the BU group. Also, speaking of poetry, eto yung singhot pang singhot kanina.
Hindi naman yung singhot. Singhot but legal.
Mental ba yan? Yan yung sa Thailand, di ba? Yung parang...
Oo nga.
So, we have Marty Tenko and Cookie Twazon for Bigkas Pilipinas Radio.
Okay, because Pilipinas is gonna happen starting Tuesday next week from 5 to 6 p.m. Sige, a bit of a trivia. Actually, it started sa Jam. Nagdalaga ako sa Jam. I started 2007. And then, natapos kami nung, before the lockdown. Nung nangyari lockdown sa Restaurant Show. And I would like to thank you, DJ Ro, for, resurrecting the Pilipinas. And, ayan, binitbit na si Marty.
Hi everyone, my name is Marty and we will be back.
We're gonna be playing tracks from American Prayer, Jim Morrison,
Jim Morrison.
etc. So tune in.
Yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. So check that out. The debut is next week on the 13th, right?
We're gonna have Never Have I Ever, right? Oh, nauna na agad yun.
Okay, and then now, finally, last but not the least, something that was just conceptualized during the kulitan of the titas earlier.
We're gonna have a tita show.
A tita show!
Everything from perimenopause to menopause to hot flashes.
Everything that...
things that you smell every time that Ro was saying this drug is not real or from some country. What's this? Asian country.
Thailand! Ayun, it says Thai.
Thailand. And everything else. We will get there, you guys.
We're gonna be giving away prizes.
Like Kating.
Yes.
Sponsor.
Because tita is life.
Yes, because you know what?
May title na ba kayo? May name na ba kayo? Wala pa.
Because I think may mga rockstar na tita eh. And
Of course.
We will navigate that.
I'm sorry tayo yun.
We will navigate that, okay? Don't be alone. We're a group, guys. We're a community.
Yes, we'll hold our hands.
Awesome. So,
Okay, the cool tita.
I like me some titas. Oh, I said that.
Sorry, I said on the
But of
air.
course, again, promote us what Cookie said because Filipinas. You guys, Tuesdays 5 to 6 p.m.
okay, and then this new tita show
we'll
to be announced.
Yes.
Okay, but let's not forget we have our intern here, Dave.
We have to talk.
Dave, come on. What am I gonna say?
Dave is actually the son of Dr. M of Vine Aesthetics, who is a very fun doctor. She talked about penis enlargement.
Wow.
Different things on air. No, your mom is so cool.
Yeah.
I'm just letting you know.
I know that.
Your mom is super cool.
Really? I know it.
Yes.
But I don't need it.
You were there. Hoy, you were asking, wait, so where will they inject it? Okay? And Dr. M was using a bottle to show as a prop where the location will be. And you were paying attention.
I was engrossed.
Kailangan natin gantahan.
Huh? She teaches you, see?
Yeah.
Dr. M also teaches.
Like teaches me like other stuff I should know. You know?
No, because that's important. Right?
Penis enlargement is important.
That's good to know.
Very vital.
Okay, so do you have anything to say before we end this section of our
All I have to say is thank you for being here because it's very like a big opportunity for me to know more people and just explore what I'll do with my life, and that's it. Thank you, everyone.
Yay!
Awesome. All right. So, how about everybody give a big hand to yourselves? Thank you all for attending this little event that we have here at Jam.
We just want to say, all of us here, I think all of us have the same sentiment. I'm looking around this room and the people outside. We're all different people. Like, who would have thought that I would meet someone like Cookie and Margie at Toraini, my fellow titos and titas, right? How would I know if I met someone like sila Charm and sila ano? This is all because of Rowana. She is our glue. Well, first and foremost, Sir Glenn.
Yes, thank you.
For resuscitating Jam.
Yes.
From the cold.
Are they still operating?
From Dimension X.
So we
Char.
From Dimension X.
So, thanks to Sir Glenn for resuscitating
From the
Jam.
Phantom Zone.
Yes, for calling the other troops, for calling in Ro, because, and then Ro called all of us. Sipin, look at us. We are so different. Diba? And now we're what? We're not necessarily friends, but we're knowing each other. And there are connections. Oh my God! May show na kami apat. Nag-uusap lang kami sa labas. Nagkaroon na kami ng show.
Gusto sumali ni LC, oh. Meron yung FOMO, eh.
This is all because Rowana got in touch with all of us.
That's right.
Yung pagiging ano ni Rowana na cray-cray, very friendly. Who would have thought that she would have all of us here?
But there's one unifying factor. There's one unifying factor that you forgot to mention.
Ano to?
Ha?
Ano?
Bawal pangit sa Jam.
Ay, I'm sorry.
Bawal pangit, sorry. Marami nag-a-apply. Parang, ay, hindi ka pwede.
Bakit ka? Gaganda ka.
Doon ka sa ibang station. Sa AM.
All of us here,
The biases, man. It's so funny.
kayo guys.
Hey, group pic, group pic.
Nare-realize mo ba na
Group pic.
magiging friends tayong lahat, magkakakilala tayo? Kundi dahil sa Jam, kay Sir Glenn.
Yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah.
Right? So thank you so much to Sir Glenn, to Ro, for getting all of us here, for making this awesome station alive and kicking.
Thank you.
It may be a struggle, ladies and gentlemen, but we can do it. We're all passionate with what we do. Go Titas 2026! Thanks, Ro. You're awesome.
Picture, group
Oh, group picture daw, group picture.
Group picture.
Sino kukuha?
Oh, wait lang.
Wala.
Ito kaya.
Okay, ready?
Pa ka na, sabihin group picture.
Oh my God. I'm so
Once again, you guys are all listening to the chaos of the new studio of Jam 88.3's blessing and announcement of new shows for 2026. We're getting ready to take a group photo right now, and if you're watching on Twitch, then you are able to see that. If you don't know where Twitch is, you type in your browser twitch.tv.
Wait.
And the group photo is happening now. Asan na ba yun? Ayan, there. Sir Mark, pagod na ako. Hello!
Picture yan.
Picture.
Okay, quiet.
Oh, what quiet?
Quiet, di marinig.
Nakakala niyo.
One more.
Okay, one more.
Another group photo.
Saan?
Paano?
Dito, alam si Omi.
Ilang shots ba yan?
100! Game!
Who's in the story?
Eh, nakaselfie lang para sa kanya eh. 1, 2, 3, smile!
Alright.
Alright, there you go. Here is now Giniling Festival with Video Call on JM 88.3 where everything rocks.
One more.
Pwede naman half-half.
One more.
Pwede naman half-half. Like half there, half.
Pwede half face.
Diba? Half face.
Kaya.
Kaya, ang galing! Yeah! Okay, Mark ulit!